close your eyes, and then within a quantum second, if we can do it, it's better. But since your mind is not trained, you can do it for a minute or two or 2, 3 or 4 or even 5. And then say the sound ah rising from the bottom of your spine. And bring it to your pineal gland, the third eye. Now what happens? When the quantum sound ah goes to the third eye, which is the pineal gland. The pineal gland is a miracle gland that will take you to a different dimension, introduce you to a different time dimension, to a space dimension, and in that dimension, you change your reality. And then keep on saying this sound, however long you can. And that is important. But don't think that you have to do a long time to get a result. If you could do it in a quantum second, a femtosecond, you'll get that too. A quadrillionth of a second is a femtosecond. And it is a matter of experience, not of talking about it and seeing the results. And that is very important.